Hi, good morning and welcome to Draw Plans. Today we're going to look at one of the line length tools. Perhaps not the most obvious choice when drawing, but yet if we learn how to use it and learn the benefits of using it, it should be something you could use all the time. So when I'm doing architectural drawings, I'll give you an example. I generally have the tool menu or the tool palette open here. And I also use my right click button to have what we call the line tools and the modify tools on show. So if you're not set up like that, I'm going to show you how to set up to ensure you have the same tools as I have, because these tools are essential to architectural drawings, and probably perhaps a lot more different types of drawings also. So here we go. I'm going to turn off the tool palette and we're going to start fresh. So come up here in the top right click the mouse button and palettes. We're going to start with the tool palette. So all we do is click on tools, and as you can see my tool palette has come back. It's got the lines, the snaps, etc, etc. Now we could close and we'll start again. We could have carried on, of course. Start again. And this time we're going to go to pop-up toolbars. Now that's my right click tools, and for that I'm going to, again, it's selected is line and modify, and I'm just going to show you what that does. Line and modify, these are essential tools. So today the main focus is on this particular one, line length. And I can tell you I was using TurboCAD or CAD for perhaps 6 months before I even got anywhere near finding out what this did. But it's a great little tool, and it's only through actually working on CAD that you have a need for certain things, and you end up doing it in a long-winded, roundabout way simply because you don't know the tools. But the line length tool is for basically adjusting the lengths of a line. And in its simplest format, if I select it, and I could show you how easy it is to just tweak it. So if you've drawn a shape or you've drawn any kind of lines through something, the line length tool is a very quick way of dealing with it. Same here. Now there's other tools obviously you can use with the similar effect, but I'm absolutely making sure you understand the line length tool. Now you can actually work on it from the point of view of changing the length. So for example, if I was to just select and then tab and come on down here, I can, change the length of the tool, length of the line also from here. So that's another element you might want to practice with. But for now, the main thing is, if we choose here, just look at it from the point of view of being very good at just getting lines onto the page, and then it's a very quick way of getting them where you want. Because the alternative to that, of course, was you go like so. Then you go back up because maybe it's not quite right. So the line length tool will save you loads of time on your drawings, and I just wanted to highlight it. So this is one of a series of little short lessons on line length, trim, object, split, and so on and so forth that we're going to be doing, just so that we can see, just so that you can learn the importance of learning these tools at an early as early as you can in your CAD in your CAD evolutionary process. Okay, so that's about it. Line length tool, use it to save you loads of time, and once you get used to it and you know it's there, you'll know when to use it. So I think I've done my job here today. I've shown you how to use the line length tool. I've shown you the benefits of using it. So enjoy. Okay, brilliant. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.